Hi guys, so we are back with another video and I just got off work. It's Friday. We're in Mercury retrograde. It's been a week and it is just the beginning of April, but I have my third pop-up coming up on April 21st and I'm so excited for it. So I ordered some stuff, and if you've seen my recent videos, you know that at my pop-ups I have certain things that I sell there that I do not sell online yet. So we have stuff for that. I'm gonna make that stuff possibly in another video, maybe this one. I really don't know because your girl's super busy. But also, if you're not new here, or I'm sorry, if you are new here, my name is Tasia. I'm the owner of Healing 365. We are a wellness lifestyle brand that sells journals and just trying to create safety and comfort around your healing journey. So that is the purpose of my business and what I do. I have a bunch of stuff to unbox and I have nothing to organize anything yet. Hopefully I can get something possibly this weekend or next weekend, but I need to unbox some stuff because it's been a week and a half of me ordering things, me getting packages, and I honestly don't even know what's what. The crew necks that I'm testing out. These are it's the Hanes Eco Smart. So again, I want to be as eco-friendly as possible. So I'm just trying to test out different like brands and everything like that. This, so far I'm not a fan of like the front. And I feel like the other one I had is thicker. Hold on. Oh yeah, so this is the first one. This I believe is from Gildan, or is that how you say it? I don't know, but it's definitely, and this is from, it says Trailblazing. I did not sell these. It's crazy. I made Trailblazing for specifically for this women's event that I had for the cannabis industry. So I'm like, all right, trailblazing in the industry, and then also like blazing like smoking. And the people did not buy this one, but they bought the other one that was more on brand. So I was like, okay, I'm proud, but also like, dang, I gotta sell these. But I like the way this feels more than this one. Like this is definitely more rough than this, and this feels just thicker. But I think I had like 5% recycled. Which may be more than the ones I ordered before, so I'll have to fact check that before I continue like purchasing and stuff. Like I said, I'm just testing it all out, which is why I'm not selling this online yet, because it's not ready. I'm not ready. And this, I like this tan. I don't know if it's showing up as tan on the camera, but it's tan. It's from the same brand, but for some reason, is it from the same brand? It is, but for some reason it feels softer. Maybe this one just needs to get like ironed and washed and stuff. And then I got this green one, which I love this one. I love this one. I should have gotten like more for myself. I got this in a large. Again, it's softer than that blue one, so maybe the blue one was just not a good sweater, but this is a green. It's kind of like it's not a hunter green, but I don't know, it's like a forest green, but honestly mixed with sage a little bit. But these are the sweatshirts I'm going to be doing the Enjoy the Journey, Good Things Take Time design on, that I did with my last ones that sold out. GG's here. But yeah, I'm doing that with this, and at this next pop-up I'm going to be selling those, the candles, everything else that I did not sell the last one, which is mugs, and then the Trailblazing sweatshirts. And that's it. So all I have to do is make the stuff. And I could start now. I do have to get ready soon because today is my sister's birthday, and we're doing a surprise gathering for her actually, so I have to start getting ready for that soon. But I don't know, maybe I'll start doing something. in my apartment, I don't have like a huge office. It's just this kind of area. This is what's going on. With inventory, stuff, whatever, and clearly I can't live like this. Alright, so I finished organizing this shelf. I do need a couple more like drawers probably, or shelves, but this is much better than it was before and I'm not going crazy. So this is what we have. This is inventory that I'm working on. I'm gonna press these two today, and then these are candles, which I will get into. And then those are, or this is inventory that's done. Those are all the Trailblazing crew necks. And then my stand here, scan to pay stuff, a press, and then a tape, which I'll probably swap those. Inventory, totes, scale, bags, journal stuff. And I'll probably end up getting rid of these journals eventually. But for now, we're just keeping them for keepsake. And then I got these little hooks from the cart in my kitchen. Of course, I'm using them here because I don't think I'll use them in my kitchen. So I have this stuff for my press, my air purifier, and then, and then candle making stuff, which I don't have, stuff for yet. Gigi's bed, and then here. So this will probably still go on the floor for now until I get something else. And maybe once, this is empty, that'll go on top of here. But for now, it's gonna just stay on the floor. Probably on top of another box. We'll see.